Hello, welcome you all again to my YouTube channel, Finance Chapel. I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a financial coach. I help individuals to create wealth and safeguard their wealth by educating them on their personal finance. Today, I'm discussing more about the tips for better savings. Now, how you can uh, save your money in a better way. Saving money is the first step where after saving you can multiply that money, you can invest that money in a different financial instrument and you can multiply your money. Now saving is the first and foremost thing which you have to start doing it every day and even from the beginning of your career. Now what are the things you have to remember to save more and more money? The first thing, create your budget. So because when you create your budget, it will keep eye on your expenses. Otherwise, you may spend a lot of money for the things which you have not required in your life. So that's why to keep a track on that and to hold you back so that you can save more and more money. Budget is a very important things. Make sure every month you are doing your budget and stick to the budget and spending within your limits. The second important thing is say no to online payment. Why I'm saying this one? It may be easy for you, of course, you have to do, but within a budget, you do a online payment before the beginning of the month. Make a list of the things which you require. Only those things only you order. So it will help you to delay your instant gratification. It is very difficult, I know, to say no to others, say no to the some of the things. It is very difficult, but it is very very important aspect in your personal finance. And the third important thing says follow money management system. Why money management system and what is money management system? In our finance chapel community, we are learning, and in your personal finance mastery workshop we are learning about money management system through 6 jars. Okay, why these jars are important? These jars are helping you to allocate your money every month in different jars so that you can utilize those jars only, that money only for that purposes. Maybe like quickly, if I wanted to share, like we are dividing money for long-term savings for spending, and we are putting money for financial freedom account. That is the money which you are getting for passive sources of income later. And like there's a play jar which is rewarding yourself, and a charity jar which is giving charity to others, and necessity jar which is a very important jar. That is every month you have to spend for your necessities, for your needs. And very important jar is for your education, that is for your personal growth. When you are not growing, and definitely you cannot expect more money from anything, because you are the important person who is earning money. You have to spend on yourself, as you are doing a service for your car, vehicle, and even mobile, any gadgets, laptop, you are doing a service. Similarly, you have maybe stopped learning from after your education, like college or post graduation. You have to learn, you have to upgrade yourself. That is a very important aspect. And fourth important thing you have to remember, create an emergency fund. Because when you have an emergency fund, you need not to spend from your savings, or like from the money which you have invested for, maybe for mutual fund and others. You need not to get into that situation, because you have a sufficient money for your emergencies. Next important thing, start protecting your wealth, that is existing wealth. Take a right insurances. I am always saying to take a term insurance, health insurance, accidental insurance, and sometimes maybe a critical illness insurance. That will help you to safeguard your money. And next important thing is additional income sources, because these are the additional income sources help you to grow your money, because you may not be you need not to depend only one source of income, that may be from your job or business. So at that time what will happen, like when you have a sufficient surplus through some of the passive sources of income, then you need not to worry for that. Okay, next important thing is to save have a one mentor, because when you don't have a mentor, when you don't have an accountability partner, there are a lot of other chances where you can miss out your guidelines, where you can miss out the things, and where you can go into a wrong path that will take away a lot of your money. So you are not able to save enough money because you are through some of the mistakes, you are taking out your precious time, and maybe you are losing out your existing wealth. Please don't do that, because yesterday I have discussed more about Guru Purnima, how one guru or mentor can help you to bring back in a right track. Same way, having a mentor is helping you to succeed in your life in a faster track. Otherwise, it may take maybe 5-10 years. With Guru, maybe you can achieve your success in 2 to 3 years. That is what we are helping in our finance chapel. Whoever is coming to our finance chapel, we are guiding them on a right path. You can also be a part of our finance chapel, so that you can have a mentor like me, and you can explore your potential, and you can achieve your success very soon. Next important thing, you should have experience your money. Like every time, like we are thinking that after achieving so much of money, I'll experience. No, we don't know when is our last day in this world. So in this world, so it is very important that each and every time is precious, each and every moment is precious. So you have to enjoy your moment, you have to enjoy this life by giving by experience each and every moment. So make use of that one and utilize that one, so that you can have a fulfillness in your life. And last but not the least, have a holistic life. Don't only concentrate on money. I know that money is very important, but simultaneously, along with money, your health is important, your relationship is important, your career is important. When you have harmony with all these things, then only you can achieve anything in your life. So thank you so much for watching this. And if you are coming first time to the my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the my YouTube channel, and share this video with others, so that others also can have some of the tips for their savings, and they can multiply their wealth, and they can achieve their financial freedom. And click the bell icon, so that you will get a notification for the new for the new video. And you can be a part of our MMP program, that is Millionaire Mindset program. Every day we are conducting from 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Along with that, you can be a part of our personal finance mastery workshop, which we are conducting every week. You can be a part of that, and you can learn a lot of things. And these personal finance master will help you and guide you in a right path, so that you can protect your wealth, and you can create and multiply your wealth. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video.